Hi there, bag makers. This is Melissa with Sew Yours. Today I am in our Dunnellon, Florida store. It is Monday and we are closed. I am waiting for our delivery of shelving to arrive. So I thought I would take this opportunity to film a quick video to give you a little store tour and what's to come here in our Dunnellon, Florida store. So it looks just like it normally does. So if you've watched any of my past videos, nothing really looks different. But I wanted to show you what we've been doing and we've been working on over the last couple of weeks. So we got the unit next to us, so we were super fortunate to get that unit when it became available so we can expand next door. So next door is going to be all of our online order fulfillment area. This back room right here is where we used to box your orders for our website at sewyours.com. And this back room was our stock room. But right here, we used to pre-package hardware. We had the hardware, the vinyls, and all that for the online orders. We had our computer over here in the corner where we would print all our labels and ship everything out to you. So now we are bringing all of our quilting cottons to the back. We are also going to be adding apparel fabric. And I've chosen double brushed poly fabric as our first stretch knit apparel fabric that we will be offering because it is personally my favorite fabric to wear and to work with. It is so soft, it drapes beautifully, perfect for t-shirts, for dresses, for leggings. So let me show you the new addition real quick. I'll be doing a more in-depth tour of our store here in the next month or two, whenever we get everything finished. But here's our doorway. This doorway was not here before. So now we have a doorway to join the two units, and we have doubled our space now. So this is only for online order fulfillment. This is not going to be for customers. This is where we are going to be packing your orders. We did the final move, if you want to call it, this weekend. So we still have a lot of things to tidy up still. We brought over all of our computers, these boxes right here on the shelf, the rest of the shelving that had all the hardware, all of that was brought over. So you can see we've got tons of empty space. That means I get to go shopping for the store and expand our inventory. We also have all of these empty areas on the shelves right here. That is because we have 75 cases of bag making fabrics arriving in the next 2 and 4 weeks. We also have lots of empty shelving right here. So I get to go shopping. I love to shop for the shop. It's like spending my money but not spending my money, so it's really fun. And I just love bringing in all the new stuff because you guys love seeing like all of our custom printed fabrics. The double brush poly that I was mentioning, we'll be bringing in the solids in addition to prints, which are exclusive to Sew Yours, that I personally designed. Lots of empty shelving here because we've got lots of waterproof canvas, so we are restocking all of our colors. We're also getting in a brand new color of the water resistant canvas up top. All that mess is our fold over elastic. There's no better way to do it. We basically pull it from those bags and then we cut it to length. We got 3 different stations at the desks for our employees. Our back room, quite messy still. But we've got all of our overstock of our quilting cottons. Our boxes are over here. In addition, we've got all of our boxes underneath all of those tables over there. The back, we've got office supplies. We got zipper tape way back there. We've got my husband's tools because we're still a work in progress. Our little break room table. Now, let's put this into perspective. This little table right here was on the other side of the wall, and that is what we used to box the orders on. So we'd have 2 to 3 employees surrounded that little table, and we would be packing orders. Here is the little break room area as well. But now the girls have all of this space. So unfortunately, you can't see the size of that table right there. But they've got these 2 giant stations where now they can move around, box their orders, get them staged up for pulling, for QA, for boxing, you name it. So that is just going to be great because we were tripping over each other's feet in that little back room. So now we've got this big, beautiful space to get your orders out I don't know how much more efficient we can be as far as timing, because the girls are excellent. They get most of your orders out in about 24 hours. We say that with an influx of orders, it could take up to 72 hours. But honestly, I've never seen orders take more than 48 hours. And generally, like 99% of the time, we get that order out to you within 24 hours of purchase. 24 business hours is what I should say. So I will do a big video for you whenever everything is done, so you guys can see all of the final changes in the store. For those of you in Dunnellon, Florida, you get to come see it in person whenever we are finished. So I want to thank everyone for supporting us, for allowing us to grow. This has been a very exciting experience. I'm a workaholic, but I'm a workaholic by choice. I absolutely love what I do. This doesn't feel like work. It is just so fun to run this business. Our employees are outstanding. We all are one big happy family. I'm so fortunate to have such a great team work with me here in our store. So thank you to all of our customers who come into our doors every day and support our store here in Dunnellon, as well as all of you from afar that shop online at sewyours.com.